Hi guys, hope you guys are doing well. It is Tuesday, April 28th. We're almost to the end of the month, and once we get into May, I think time is going to fly by. I miss you guys and hope you're doing well. We'll read today's daily decision, and then don't forget to log into Canvas and complete your work. Anne opened the door to her house. Immediately, she heard the sound of a guitar. She ran into her room and quickly opened the door. "You are not allowed to touch that," she yelled to her baby sister. She pulled the guitar from her sister's hands. It had a big scratch on it, and pushed her sister out of the room and slammed the door. So, how do you think Anne feels? Happy, angry, or nervous? What did she do that was not a good choice? Slam the door, take away, talk about it, or fight? And what would have been a better choice? Slamming the door, taking it away, talking about it, or fighting? Now, I know a lot of you have younger siblings, and I also have been a younger sibling. Why don't you guys talk to your parents or supervisor about some of the ways that you could handle a situation where a younger brother or sister has something of yours? Or if you are that younger sibling, talk about some of the things you can do to prevent this from happening. Make sure you log on and get the work done. Talk to you guys tomorrow.